Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have some amazing news. You just have to see all these leaks that are popping left and right regarding the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and other Samsung products. So let's dive in and see what's new and exciting. Now, number one, as you know, we have a brand new product that's going to be launched on August the 5th. It is known as the Samsung Buds Live. These are the next iteration of the Samsung Galaxy Buds. And we have a leak from Roland on Twitter who tells us that the price is going to be $169. So it is not overkill. It is still in the nice, affordable range for a pair of buds that are supposed to be top of the line. Now let's move on to the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Another great news, we have a brand new leak from Ishan on Twitter, who has informed us that there is going to be a mystic white color as well. So I love options, and I know people love options. So based on all the leaks that we have so far for the Note 20 Ultra, we in fact have 4 colors. We've got the Mystic Black, the Mystic Bronze, which is the one that I am thinking of getting, and also now we have the Mystic White and the Mystic Green. Now, seeing as the white has just been leaked, that's the one I might end up getting over the bronze, because for phones, for smartphones, white is in fact one of my favorite colors, but we'll see what happens when the phone gets released. But that's today's big news. Now, Ishan also confirms some bad news. We are getting Exynos 990 in non-US, non-Korea, and maybe non-China markets. So that might be bad news for some people, but we are getting Snapdragon for US, Korea, and looks like China. He also confirmed a 6.9-inch display, 120 Hz refresh rate, 4500 milliamp hours battery, and here's the details on the actual camera. This one is from Roland. So we are going to have a 108 megapixel main camera that has an aperture of f1.8. So it's not going to be a variable aperture. It is going to be a fixed aperture. And then we have a wide angle camera that's also going to be 12 megapixels with an aperture of f2.2. And then we have a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. And finally, one more thing, the time of flight camera, the 3D depth vision camera that we find on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is gone. Looks like it's going to be replaced with a laser autofocus system, which is supposed to fix the focusing problems that we have had on the smartphones, on the S20 Ultra especially. Okay, so that's something to look forward to, but we are going to be losing that time of flight camera. And that's basically all the updates that we have on the smartphones. Galaxy Buds Live, $169. The white color and the green color on the Note 20 Ultra, even though we're not sure what markets exactly are they going to be available on, but we have a total of 4 colors. So all this is absolutely fantastic. Now, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. And also, let me know what color you prefer. The white one, the green one, the bronze one, down below. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right? Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.